Heidi ho there, friends and neighbors. Bobby here today. Hey folks, today we're going to do a quick little review on this Ryobi SawZall, and we're going to talk about this kit here. And I believe this is a 6-piece tool kit. Let me count them here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Purchased this kit here recently at Home Depot. I think I paid about $280 or $285 for this whole set here. I was out the door a little over $300 with tax and everything. And what I really liked about this kit, I figured I'd just give it a try because I have some other Ryobi tools as well that I've had for many years. I've actually had pretty good success out of them, but I've never tried any of their cordless items. So I wanted to try them out. So today we're actually going to test the SawZall for the first time, okay? And then I'll make some other videos in the future of some of these other component or tools as well. And we also purchased a hedge trimmer, okay? That's actually the big reason that we went and purchased these at Home Depot, because I needed a hedge trimmer for a job that I've sold. And I've actually done 2 jobs with it now. It's more than paid for itself. It's actually doubled what I paid for it in revenue that I've actually been able to bring home. So we're definitely gonna make a video about it coming up very soon. But today, we're strictly just gonna try out this SawZall, okay? So stay tuned. Okay guys, we have some old boards here that we've taken off of our race car trailer. If you wanna pan up here and show them the dirty old race car trailer. We drug this thing out of the woods yesterday because we had to go pick up a lawnmower, a Cub Cadet, that we'll definitely be making some videos on here soon. We got Nathaniel a brand new lawnmower. And so these are some old boards. Now they're about half rotten. So, you know, but I'm still gonna just test this thing on these boards right quick. Let's just see how it does. Because we wanna cut this in smaller pieces to where we can just burn this on our bonfire today. Bouncing around a lot. Let's see if I can stand on it and maybe help it out a little bit.
Yeah, that's better.
Yep. Okay, so there we cut through that, guys. Didn't take too long, and that piece actually was not very rotted. That wood actually was pretty firm here. Some of, like this piece has actually got a lot of rot in it. Let's see how it does. Wish I had a more stable surface here, but we'll just go with what we got. Okay, hey, that wasn't too bad right there. We'll take a look at that. We had a little bit of rot right there, but that's like semi-rotted right there. But still, it's getting the job done. Let's try a little bit more here, and then maybe we'll try something different. That's working pretty good. Let's cut through one more piece here, and then we'll move on to something else. Okay folks, so there you go. There's our little Ryobi SawZall here. I'm not sure what kind of blade. This is just the blade that come with it. I would try it out on some metal, but I don't know if this is actually a metal blade. It may just be wood only. So I'll go by and pick up a couple metal blades, and maybe we'll try it out on a piece of exhaust pipe or something like that here one day. But done a pretty good job of cutting through you know, the tube of 12s or tube of 10s or whatever I have there. And I'm happy with it because I probably won't use this a whole lot, but just for little stuff like that, I think it'll do pretty good. And real quickly, bring the camera down here, Nathaniel. I'm gonna show the people how to change the blade. And you just lift up on this little lever right here. It's spring loaded, and you can pull your blade right out. and then you can stick it right back in. Well, you got to stick it in the right little spot here. So there we go, and then release it, and your new blade is put right into position. This little, I guess you call it just a little fence here, is movable. You can move it back and forth as well. And I'm not sure, I have multiple batteries that come with these kits. I know this kit that we were just talking about here, I'll slide the box back here so you can look at it. It come with a 1.5 I guess that's the amount of hours or whatever that you could possibly use. It come with a 1.5, oh yeah, right here. And it come with a 4 AH battery as well. But some of our other tools that we bought, we had a 2, so we've got that one in there right now. So anyway, the higher the number, the longer they last when they're in the tools here. And just real quick, let's talk about the tools that come in this kit here. The SawZall, of course, a cool little flashlight. I thought that would be really cool to have. We're actually just going to keep it inside in case of power outages. And if we got multiple batteries charged, we should have plenty of a flashlight, you know, to have around in case of a long power outage. Oscillating tool, okay, and I think I have tried it out as well down at Dad's house when we was working on the deck. The little circular saw, you know, of course it is what it is. It's a small little saw. You're not going to do a whole lot of framing or anything with this saw. I did cut a couple 2x4s. If you got a 2x4 or a 2x6 or something to cut right quick, it works great for that. You don't have to get the drop cord out and everything. If you just got to cut 1 or 2 boards, great for that. Now the cordless impact, I have tried out down on Dad's deck when we were putting down new decking, and this thing kicks butt. This thing's got good power, batteries last a good while in it. It works really good. The drill, I don't think I've tried it out yet, but we'll have videos up and coming. Bring the camera back up here so the good people can see my face before we say goodbye. We will have more videos up and coming talking about this set of tools. We'll let you know how they do as we use them for, you know, a month, 6 months, a year, or what have you. Maybe we'll come back and do another little review video. I will drop a link down below. I saw this kit on sale on Amazon for less than what I paid for it at Home Depot. Like I said, I paid $280 something, and I think I saw it on Amazon, same kit, looks like identical kit, for $245 or $249. So I'll try to find that link again. We'll drop it right down below in the description. Thank you for stopping by and checking out our little demo video today of the Ryobi SawZall. Okay guys, have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a few friends about us, and we will see you next time. Take care.